Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Burdick, the reading coach. I am getting ready to make some words and I'd love for you to join me. Now, we will need the following letter cards. I am just using some paper today, but you can use some paper, some note cards, maybe a post-it note, or maybe you have the magnet letters that you might use on a refrigerator. That's okay too. These are the letters that you will need. S, T, R, N, E, G, H, and another T. Now, let me read through those again as I put on my pointer finger and make sure that you have your letters. S, T, R, N, E, G, H, and T. Now, remember, as we build our words, make sure that you follow along with me to point and say the sounds because you know that making words helps us with our letter sounds. It helps us blend better and it helps us learn how to spell words better. Are you ready? Let's just start. Make the word he, he, right in front of you, remember. He. Now, you will hear Mrs. Burdick say those sounds as I build those words. He. Good job. Let's make the word she. Oh, look at this. When I put an S and an H together, it makes the sh sound. It's just one sound. Sh, she. Good job. All right, let's put these to the side. Let's make the word set. Set. And you'll hear me. I'm going to say the sounds as I build them. You do the same. Et, et, set. Good job. Now, if I know how to spell set, I can spell the word get. Get. That's right. I need to change that beginning sound. G, et, get. If I can spell get, I can spell net. 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 Great job. Now, let's add a letter and make the word nest. Nest. S. Nest. Nest. That is awesome. If I can spell nest, I can spell rest. 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 If I can spell rest, I can spell test. Test. There's my letter. Test. Test. Now, let's move some of these to the side. We'll need them in a moment. Let's build the word scent. Scent. And scent. What if I don't add any letters or take letters away and we build the word tens? Tens. Ends. Ends. Tens. All right, let's move these to the side. Build the word then. Then. All right, I know that I need to put these two letters together to make the th sound. N, then. All right, let's move these to the side. This time, I want us to put the R next to the E. Now, when I do that, that R is kind of bossy, and it is going to change the sound of that E, and it's called an R-controlled vowel. That R is very bossy, and it's going to change that sound to an It's one sound, All right, let's make the word stern. Stern. There's a blend at the beginning. Stern. Good job. All right, let's make the word, actually, let's do this. Let's move it to the side. Let's make the word tenth. Tenth. Ten. Do you remember the two letters that make the sound? That's right. The T and the H. N. Tenth. Good job. All right, this is going to be the hard one. Let's build a word with all 8 of the letters. I'll give you a hint. It starts with the 3-letter blend stir. String. Do you know what it is? Keep going. String. Am I giving you enough hints? And then end it. Are you ready? Let me move it all over. The word is strength. Strength. Now this letter does something a little funny in that word. Strength. You built an 8-letter word. That is so awesome. Now remember, anytime that we build words, we want to also read those words and then sort them. So let's read the words that we built. He. Oh, say them after me. She. Get. Set. Net. Nest. Rest. Test. Scent. Tens. Then. Stern. Tenth. Strength. You built all those words. That is so awesome. Now, when you think about the words that we built, or maybe you even wrote some of those words down, can you think of any of the words that ended with the et sound? That's right, like get and set and net. Another way to help us to remember how to spell words as we're making and building those words is to make connections. So I'm connecting that et family with these words and I'll better remember it. All right, let's do another one. What about est words? Do you remember any est words that we built? Yep, you are right. Nest, test, and rest. So every time that we do a building or make a words activity, think about how the words are connected. Now, they may not all have one thing in common, but you can find categories and put them together, just like we did with the et and the est. You know, I could also do the E sound, he and she. And there are others. Just you look at those words and figure out what is common, what is the same in there that I could put them in a category together. Keep reading and keep building words. Remember, have the adult in your house subscribe to the Paget Coaches Corner YouTube channel so that you get my videos as soon as I post them. Remember to stay safe, be kind, and this is Mrs. Burdick out.